This is your PLN update. I'm Uriah Kiser. We begin with a community alert. Prince William Police are asking for your help in finding 19-year-old Faith Pastore. She was last seen late Sunday night, August 24th, at her home on Troika Court in the Lake Ridge area of Woodbridge. Investigators believe she may be in New York City, possibly Brooklyn. Family and friends say they've been in touch with her since she left, but police say she could be in need of assistance. Faith is described as white, 19 years old, 5'2", 200 pounds, with blonde hair streaked light brown and green and blue eyes. If you've seen her, call Prince William Police at 703-792-6500. In Stafford County, supervisors are meeting today to revisit how data centers are regulated. The Board of Supervisors is holding a special work session focused entirely on data centers. It follows a heated meeting last week when residents filled the chambers to urge stronger limits on the industry. Some members, like Uriah District Supervisor Monica Gary, called for 1,500-foot setbacks between data centers and homes. Others, including Vice Chairwoman Tanisha Allen, said the county first needs to clarify the language in the ordinance. One of the most vocal critics is Erin Senzero, who heads the nonprofit Protect Stafford. She says the board should push setbacks as far as possible to safeguard neighborhoods.
So we have exhorted the board to advertise at least a 1,000-foot setback. There was talk at the last meeting of extending it to 1,500. We would, of course, support that. What we're ultimately trying to advocate for is as much distance as we can get and as thick a preserved buffer as possible.
Supervisors and the Planning Commission are expected to debate those standards today during a joint work session. Healthcare is our next story, and we're looking at a major step toward a new training doctors in Fredericksburg. Mary Washington Healthcare and the University of Mary Washington are in serious planning stages for Northern Virginia's first medical school. CEO Dr. Christopher Newman says the school could open as early as 2029 after a feasibility study showed it's viable. The plan comes as the region faces what Newman calls an extreme physician shortage. A $48 million education center already under construction could serve as the school's home. In addition, Mary Washington Hospital has been redesignated a Level 2 trauma center by the state health department, one of only 9 in Virginia. Well, travelers should prepare for changes on the roads during this upcoming holiday weekend. On Labor Day, Monday, September 1st, the I-95 express lanes will operate northbound all day with no reversals. Starting on Tuesday, September 2nd, the regular weekday reversal schedule resumes with the first switch at 11 a.m. Meanwhile, VDOT will lift most lane closures on interstates and major roads from noon Friday, August 29th through noon Tuesday, September 2nd. Work zones may still be in place, so drivers are urged to check VDOT advisories before traveling. And finally, a new training facility in Spotsylvania County is giving recruits more time on the range and more confidence in the field. The Rappahannock Regional Criminal Justice Academy has officially opened its new firearms training center. The nearly 10,000 square foot facility includes 14 shooting lanes, classrooms, and low-light training capabilities. For years, the academy borrowed outdoor ranges hours away, limiting training opportunities. Now more than 250 recruits each year will train indoors regardless of weather or daylight. Academy Director Michael Harvey says the indoor range isn't just about accuracy. It's designed to make recruits more confident enough to avoid relying on their weapons.
So the more confident they are with it, the more they know if I have to pull this weapon, I am going to be able to use it effectively, the less likely they are to actually rely on that weapon. The more that they're going to use their de-escalation skills that they learn here.
The Academy says the new center will give officers better preparation and improved judgment before they hit the streets. That is your PLN update. I'm Uriah Kiser. For the latest updates all day, go to PotomacLocal.com. Please support our work by becoming a member and get full access to everything we post. We count on your support to keep the local news coming. Thanks for watching.